Hello guys, I just want to show you how to edit your photographs in case you want to do presentations or to use on things like YouTube video thumbnails or things like those. Now the best place to start will be to go to a website like Canva, which offers you image editing functionality. In this case it's canva.com, and as you can see, you can open Canva, choose from a library or upload your own photos, or find photos, fix them, and then save and share them. So this is a good platform to start off from. Now once you have signed up online there, you can choose from, you can search for any image that you want or any layouts that they have there. As you can see, there's quite a few. Now that's a few items there. So once you find something that you want, you can either edit the text and then you click the download there and save it to your desktop. Now one file that I've downloaded there is this background thumbnail there, which I want to use. So I want to remove, in case I didn't have Canva or I didn't know how to use it, I want to remove this text and replace it with a text that I want. So with any Adobe programs, one good thing which they have is the ability to use layers, as well as a few functionalities there for editing your image. So the first thing that you do there is to create a duplicate layer there for your background, in case you make a mistake and you want to go back to that layer. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to copy this this color here and use it as another background layer. So there's this now there's this selection tool there, so which I use to, let's see, that's it there. So I use it to pick up a color. Now that's the color there that I want to use. Then what I do is I choose a new layer, so I can rename it to whatever I want, but in this case I want, then I drag that layer to behind all the layers. Now once that layer is down there, the next thing is to select this this area here, which is that bit there, and then use your delete. Sorry, I'll just unclick that delete layer just to show what's happened there, and then from there you can deselect everything, and using this paint brush or the paint bucket, sorry, paint everything. So I needed to select this layer, then paint everything there. So as you can see, when I click on that, now just to show you that how this background layer works is, if I switch this layer off, as you can see there is a blank there, but if you switch it on, it comes on. So that's the power of using layer. Now the next thing is to put my own text there. So there is my text there, but however my text will be done in the color blue there. So the next thing is to choose the color that I want for the text, and then type the text that I want. So the next thing is to say now my new text. So that's it there. Now having done that, to save my picture I go to file and then save for web, which shows me this, then I can select the type of the file that I want. Normally it's PNG, and then select the resolution that I want there, and then say OK. Then it says how to edit code. Then it is, and that's saved there. Now then what I'll do is I'll close that, and then open my images there, and there it is, how to edit, and there is there. Thanks a lot for watching guys, see you next time, bye.